before Bob likes it.
First thing to do would be shut your power off to your stove. So the boss got to creep back there because, yeah, I'm big and I can't do it. I'd really have to squeeze my... we'll see. This will be interesting. What's going on is the bottom burner is not working on our Frigidaire here. But the stove's 7 years old, so if this is the first issue we might have had, I'll take it. Want me to hold your feet or something, baby? So yeah. Comical. Hot woman trying to get a plug. Ooh, she got it. Sweet. So now the next step is I'll pop this door out. Hey, baby, hang it up here. There, you dropped it, didn't you? Never mind. It's good.
Get a...
We'll be all right. Yeah, there's the Frigidaire gallery. I got to put the model number. Next step is to pop the tabs out and get this door off. She needs a good cleaning, but that's the story of my life. Oops, as I break it, I break the glass and I gotta get a new stove. So now that's unlocked, should be up. Oh, that's obvious. What the hell's my lock piece? Don't tell me. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Ha! Oh, that's gonna suck. Oh, there's only one lock? No, wait, there's gotta be 2 locks. Okay, it flipped it all the way back. Yeah, don't do that, guys. So, the locks are supposed to be like that, so I gotta figure out, I gotta put a little pressure on it and get this to go the other way because it latched itself on there when it was coming out. So yeah, I just could have screwed my door up. We'll find out real quick. Unbelievable. Alright, put pressure on this friggin' thing. Yeah, I think I toasted it. Come on. Really? Unbelievable. Oh, there we go, okay. Woohoo! So why does it like that and I can't? Baby, scratch or bend, nothing. Like, that's weird. Like, yeah, it's not supposed to do that, guys. So it looks like my tab's bent in there, so I'm gonna have to get a pliers or something and really give this thing some love. Be back. All you gotta do is I take the pressure off of it. Let this nip right here roll under it for the lock, so we'll just go like that. Man, that was a snappy. So at least it didn't catch there, but this tab was on it. So next bet is taking screens out. I got 2 screws in the back. Ugh. Yep, 7 of us, guys. She's a little dirty, a little dingy. That's all right. That's the worst part of my day. I'll take it. Flathead, you could probably get some pliers on it and stuff. A broiler. It's tight. I need it all the way out. The problem was the bottom's not lighting, and so yeah, you know about that. Oh no! Damn it! Slides out and up, and then hopefully you don't take part of the insulation with it because you cook so much food for the last 7 years that the insulation's rolling with it. My story. So this one's a little different than the one I seen on the fact that, hey babe, can you take this and go dump it outside? So the other one I seen had a newer model. There's only 1 screw on that piece. Sorry, babe. and so before this cover comes up, and then my igniter's right here, and so I don't think I got the right size socket. Yeah, I don't think that's what I need. Insulation, itchy. Wait, we'll see. Sorry guys, over. Yeah, it's not 3/8, so it's, give me a second, be back, shut it off. Back at it, it's 1/4 inch. I thought about just coming through the bottom if I could, but I couldn't. I don't think I could have got a wrench. I might have been able to get a wrench on the igniter part, but. Reflector shield pops out. Oops, sorry guys. Plays with me. Blammo. So I will have to come in. So the version I seen is that looks like my igniter gets hot, so it's just mad. But the version I seen, it's just a cover here, so this piece doesn't even come out, but you could take your burner out. And so this one's a little different, but my plugs are on the bottom. So I'll disconnect it real quick, and we'll get this igniter out of here. Same thing, I think it's 1/4. We'll find out real quick. Oh wait, there's a, oopsies. I might have to do a whole bunch of stupid stuff here, so we'll see. Hopefully I don't have to. I don't like doing stupid stuff. The other ones are quick and simple. They showed taking the burner element out to get this a little easier. I'm just leaving it on here. Switch me. Sorry. I'm sure it's cheaply feels just light stuff. Would be flexing any time I do it. Oh, I broke it. What the fudge? God dang it. Are you kidding me, you piece of crap? That sucked. So now I really have to drill it out. Get some new screws. Overtime. 500-degree heat didn't like it. Broke too. Fudge. Are you kidding? They both broke. Unbelievable. What junk. How the heck did that break? The screws that hold the igniter in. Yeah. And they're stuck in there, so that's gonna actually gotta come the other way with it. That sort of sucks. Story of my life, everybody. Story of my life. Hey, it's nice and black. This. Welcome to the hole. Oops. Sorry, guys. It's up here. Again, like I said, mine is different than the other picture I looked at. And there's a cover. So we'll see what wires we got here. These wires for plug. So I gotta come up on the top and push it down. 100%. Let's see. Okay, so push it down. There's an igniter safety mechanism. Oop, push that through. So yeah, stupid little screws are busted in there. So I pretty much got to take this frickin'. I didn't want to take it off there to get it. So what I want to do is tighten it, get the valve off, take it off for safety. Also, I've seen, but that worked. Just unplugged. So now I'll button it all back up and at least turn it on, see if mom's stuff works while I order this part. So here's your element. But yeah, guys, thanks. So I got it apart real quick. Got my burner element in. Plug and play down at the bottom down here. Let me get down here real quick and look. It was plug and play off of this one. A different one I seen had a switch, like a cover right here. Mine does not have this cover. And let's watch it work. I was worried for a second that it wasn't gonna go. So now we're watching here. You'll be able to see that I cleaned the glass a little bit. I probably could have scrubbed it a lot harder. Sorry, babe. Baker's on. All right, there it is. See, the element's getting hot. Boom, boom. My element gets hot. And 3, 2, 1, and boom, 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 boom. Look at that beautiful fire there. It's nice and hot, and I was like, oh my God, what's going on? Boom. My gas baker is working. So now we will, want to see what it looks like in there, guys. Yep, normally I don't do this. I'm about to fix to put it all back. That looks really good. Nice clean flame. And so now we'll just watch it burn out. Oh, if my element gets cool. You can hear the gas working down there. Can't see nothing, sorry. Looks really good. So, you know, I'll have my part. I'll have my stuff on the link that we used to get it real quick, and we'll go from there. But yeah, so I'm very happy. My stove is back in business. Sorry it's a little dirty and stuff, but yeah, with 7 of us, cooking some instant stuff is great. Thanks, guys. I'll stitch this all together. Here's the old element. You can see I didn't hit it with a resist ohm meter, but I'm sure I could have checked it. But this is where it was. It sits like there. So something was upset with it, and I'm just glad that this was it, because I didn't realize, you know, you don't see that stuff on there, and I never pay attention to how long it takes or doesn't take, and I was like, oh my gosh, it could be the gas valve or, you know, something in it. But everything works good, and I'll put it back together. Thanks very much, guys. Have a great night.